Welcome to today's tutorial on the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. This credit card is an excellent choice for those with good credit who want to earn rewards on their everyday purchases. Let's start with the pros of this credit card. The Capital One Quicksilver offers a $200 initial bonus when you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. Additionally, you'll earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day with no annual fee. You'll also enjoy a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. Now let's talk about the rewards details. With the Capital One Quicksilver, you can earn unlimited 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, where you'll get the best prices on thousands of trip options. You'll also enjoy up to 6 months of complimentary Uber One membership statement credits through November 14th, 2024. There are no rotating categories or signups needed to earn cash rewards, and cashback won't expire for the life of the account, and there's no limit to how much you can earn. However, there are also some cons to consider. The Capital One Quicksilver has the potential for a very high interest rate, so it's important to make sure you pay off your balance in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. Additionally, there is a balance transfer fee to consider. To apply for the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card, you'll need good to excellent credit. But if you qualify, you'll enjoy a $0 annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently travel abroad. That's it for this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more free money for you.